UptoSix Phonics. Listen to the sound.
A little girl named Leela lives in a village. Her house is next to a lotus lake. Leela takes her little lamb to the lake to collect some lotus flowers.
As in lotus and as in lake. Lotus. Lake. As in lemon. 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 As in lamb. Lamb. As in ladder. Ladder. Tap all the pictures that begin with the sound. Lemon. Lamb. Ladder. Lake. Lotus. Lotus. Can you try writing the sound? Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Horse. Tiger. Ladder. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Ladder. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Lollipop. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Lotus. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Lemon. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound.